Hello everyone, how are you all? I am Sutapa and you are most welcome to your channel, that is Drawwithsutapaghosh. So today we are going to draw Lord Krishna, and this is the first part where I am shading the face area. Next part I will show you the shading part of ornaments. The materials I have used for this particular sketch are as follows. Number 1, sketchbook. It's a multimedia sketchbook with 200 GSM pages, and the pencils are outline pencils with HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B and 10B sets. And then blenders, I have used paper bending thumbs and kneaded eraser, one glass marking pencil and one white gel pen, as well as some masking tape for covering the side area. So these are the materials I have used. This video is going to be very special because I'm going to use graphite pencils after a long time. I used to work with color pencils and those are my favorites. If you have any interest with color pencils, then you can have a watch to my other videos and I'm sure you will not be disappointed. You may have just one look to my galleries and you will get so many good contents. And if you are new to my channel and you want such informative art videos, then you can subscribe and also select the bell notification, because I am gonna upload the next part of this portrait tomorrow. So whenever I will upload my new videos, if the bell icon is selected, you will get the notification. For light area I have used 2B pencil, and for dark areas I have used 10B pencils, and the area in between light and dark, there I have used 4B pencil. Hey my friends, recently I have received so many comments regarding graphite pencils, and that's why I am working with it. And if you want that I should draw this particular portrait with color pencil, then comment and write color pencil work, and I will definitely do the same portrait with color pencils. Hey my friends, let's enjoy together watching this portrait work. Today's video. Tomorrow I'll back with the last part of this portrait, that is part 2, and I will explain step by step all the procedure that I have applied for this portrait work. So keep watching, keep supporting and keep drawing with me. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.